Hello everyone, and you may have seen my what if video of what if Chandris Lines bought the SS United States. We're going to do the same thing, but what if Chandris bought the Queen Elizabeth? As you can see, I have it in the CY's University form. So we're going to say somewhere around 1972, before the burning of the ship. The Orient Overseas Lines sells the ship to Chandris Lines. As you can see, the whole color is already good. You just have to change those. You just have to change those funnels. Change the flag to Australia because the Chandris Lines operate ships to Australia. Funnel bottom. How about 150 for green and 255 for blue. That right there looks like a good Chandris Lines blue. Well, looks like Chandris Lines is going to add stripes, like black bands, onto the Queen Elizabeth here. So 0 and 0 with those classic black funnel tops. There we go. Ship looking a little better. And looks like a Chandris Lines ship. Ship class. Ocean Liner. Ship company. Chandris Lines. And I gotta think of a name. Here we are on trusty Google Gemini. And let's see. I already asked Gemini of what ship I should do for Chandris Lines, and there's 3 ships, and I picked Queen Elizabeth. So we're going to see what Gemini named the ship. The RHMS Olympia. Similar to the Olympic. Okay, here we are. Back again in the game. Because I got kicked out after going into Gemini, so let's rename the ship RHSM, I believe. Okay, so I put the M and the S in the wrong spot. Putting it in capitals because that makes it a little more sense. RHMS capital. There we go. The Olympia. That seems like a good name for a Chandris Lines version of the Queen Mary. We had ropes. And so let's say the Olympia departs Southampton, heading for Australia. We're going to use Cherbourg as our Australia. Had a little incident, just collided into a tender. So the ship departs Southampton, aka wherever. I believe Greece. Chandris Lines departs from, heading for Australia. The Olympia enters a minefield. The ship collides with a mine.